Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Leena Naik. To begin with, let's take a look on the headlines. I am with Raponkas and the decision over the placement of Raponkas in market finalized, Surendra Furtado. People of Surbanwado face problem of acute water shortage. NNI team visits Goa with Yasin Bhatkal. Sources reveal Bhatkal's stay in Goa. Now the news in detail. CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado said that the decision on the place for the traditional Raponkas have been taken after having a meeting with the Deputy Mayor MLA Babush Montserrat and Commissioner of CCP. He said that once the traditional Raponkas gets accommodated inside the market, no other fish vendors will be allowed to sit outside. He further said that the law will be uniform for all and that he is with the Raponkas. A special report by Chief Editor Darshan Loliekar.
Commissioner, Market Chairman, Deputy Mayor and myself had a meeting at the market at night at 8 o'clock. But that was the time the market is quiet, to find out the ways and means where they'll sit. And it was already decided where the fisher Ramponkar people should sit. Then it so happened that the Panjim fair came, furniture fair, and the Ganesh Chaturthi. So our staff and our inspectors were busy with them. And the commissioner had promised me that he will do it immediately after Ganesh Chaturthi, so that the manpower will be there and everything will be there. Now I am not aware whether the commissioner has put the Ramponkar inside or not. I am hearing from you. I have also moved a note. Is there with you? There is a note I moved yesterday itself to the commissioner. Today we are sent asking him what is the status of Ramponkars, whether they have been shifted inside or not. Once the Ramponkars are shifted inside, nobody else will be allowed to sit outside. The commissioner with a strong hand will deal with it. I have full faith in the commissioner that he will do it. Law should be equal for everyone. If Ramponkars are put inside, no other fisher community will be allowed to sit out. I am 100% with Ramponkars, because Ramponkars are the traditional people, and I am confident that the commissioner will do it.
The people of Surbanwado at Pernem have to face an acute shortage of water despite of having a freshwater lake in their village. The lake needs urgent repairs, demanded the locals. The locals allege that the politicians give assurances of renovating the lake during election campaigns but do not turn out once the elections are over. When asked Councillor of Pernem Municipality Nutan Aroskar, she said that the file have been prepared and sent for chairman's signature. Vinod Mehta reports from Pernem.
आमची भुरगी हटून येता भंय दिसता पडत बी म्हणून पूण आमी कितें मागता हे सरकारान आमची तळी बेगीतल्या बेगीन बांदून दिवची अशें आनी हे तळयेक लागून आमची बांय सुद्धा आता ती पडत पडली बांय पडटली सगळी घाण वचा आनी हे घाणीन आमी आता हे अशें उदीक पिता काय करता आनी भुरगीं आमची जाता तुमीच कशें म्हणून हे तूं खावपाचें आमी हे उदीक तेंच्यांनी आमची काळजी घेवपाची हे तळयेची आणि बांधून दिवपाचे आमचे हाल पळोवनच आम्ही खंय खंय उदकाक वचपाचे आणि किती दिवस बांधून सदीच तशी मत्ता घालून गेले काम झाल्या मागीर परवा म्हणटा आमकां सदीच पटयता तशें मेजरमेंट काडटानी तळी गरिबाक ही आमकां तळी सरकारान बांदून दिल्ली पण ही सरकारान परत आमची तळयेचो येवन वयता फोटो मारून वयता कितें करून वयता परतून सगळे म्युनिसिपालिटीन येता फोटो मारता मत्ता मागता आमकां तळी बांदून दिता म्हणून सांगता तेन्ना आमकां तळी दिना बांदून आम्ही कितें करचें आतां आमच्या उदकाचे हाल जाले आमी तिकडे वयता कोटकारवाडे आनी उदीक हाडटा हांवें म्हाज्या तरेन खूब प्रयत्न केल्ले तळयेच्या बाबतींत फक्त NOC खातीर भाटकाराची NOC खातीर तळयेचो प्रॉब्लेम उरलेलो भाटकार आसा पळय न्ही तो ऑब्जेक्शन हाडटा आपूण बांदून दिवचो ना म्हणून सांगता
पण लास्ट टाइम पळय 2 वेळा बांदले तेन्ना भाटकाराचो खंयच प्रश्न येवंक ना कारण देवस्थानाची प्रॉपर्टी
तसोच प्रोसेस करूया
ना आता तसंच प्रोसेस केला आणि आमची जी फायल आसा पळय न्हय ती ऑलरेडी रेडी जाल्ली आसा NIT केल्ली आसा फक्त आता टेंडर काढून वर्क ऑर्डर दिवपाची आसा.
बरं केन्ना पर्यंत काम जातलें अशें तुमकां दिसता?
हांवें सगळी फायल रेडी करून दवरलेली आसा आणि चेअरपर्सनान कितें म्हाज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे चेअरपर्सनान कितें सांगलें की आपले टेंडराचेर सायन मारल्या वर्क ऑर्डर काडली पण माझ्या माहिती प्रमाणे हे तेणी कितें सांगला पळय न्हू ते खटे
अजून सायन मारलेली
ना तेणी सायन मारूंक ना
आणि अजून ती तशीच पेंडिंग आसा.
तशीच पेंडिंग आसा बरोबर आसता कित्याक तेंच्यांनी खोटिंगपणां केली न्हू सायन मारिनासतना मारली म्हणून सांगली म्हटले हे खोटिंगपणां करता अशें जालें न्ही म्हणून म्हाका लोकां बरोबर रावन सपोर्ट करचो पडलेलो.
A 4-member team of the National Investigation Agency brought Indian Mujahideen co-founder Yasin Bhatkal to Goa on Sunday. The NIA team visited Anjuna in North Goa, where Bhatkal was staying. During investigations, Bhatkal revealed to NIA that he had stayed in Goa in 2010-2011 at a rented place in Anjuna. When the NIA team visited the place, they found that room had been locked for the last 1 year. The NIA team, which was assisted by the Goan Crime Branch team, opened the room and attached all the articles that belonging to Bhatkal. The NIA team also made inquiries with the owner of the house and recorded his statement. Bureau report. More news will follow after a short commercial break. High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
The UK concept-based preschool now in Goa, Sanford, where learning begins. Our schools have spacious, highly colorful, conceptual and air-conditioned classrooms. Sanford Activity Arcade provides rich learning experience to the children. Sanford schools have mini auditorium equipped with small stage and audio-video equipment to give children stage exposure. Play area is equipped with swings, slides, bouncy, mini train, merry-go-round and many other play equipments. The nutritious midday meal is a special facility at Sanford.
Utsav Traders, wholesale distributor and stockist for water tanks, ISO 9001 quality assurance, double layer tank Dolphin with 10 years warranty, triple layer tanks Jalpari with 20 years warranty, non-corrosive, excellent strength. At plot number 3, Landscape Development near Korlim Panchayat, Churchwado, Korlim, Ilas, Old Goa.
Bhavani Desi Kendra. Prefer country-made products with great zest and zeal to make the country strong. Address: Shop number 5, Anant Apartment, Naikvado, Kalangut, Bardes, Goa. Distributor for Bardes Taluka. For trade inquiry, contact 9822-122-529 or 9689946529.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आणि रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Goa's first Junior MasterChef registration started. Workshop, audition and competition at the Institute.
First prize winner rupees 1 lakh. Trophy 3-night stay. Runner-up prize 50,000 rupees. Admissions open of 6 months and 1 year hotel management. Log on to www.saidadamanagement.com. Telephone number 9158767634.
Welcome back. Tourism Minister have not sanctioned any funds for the beautification of the capital of the state, said CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado. He said that the minister speak about increasing the number of tourists but is not putting any efforts towards allotting funds for beautification of the city of Panjim. A special report by Chief Editor Darshan Loliekar.
Tourism, गोयचो tourism minister Mr. Parulekar सांगता की tourism आपण व्हडले हितून करतले. तेका म्हाका विचारूंक जाय तेणे एज टुरिजम मिनिस्टर CCP कितके पैसे दिल्ले आहा सांगचे
ब्युटिफिकेशन
कितके दिले आहा बिश्ते उलयले म्हण जायना. तो जर्मनीक गेलो, पुर्तगालाक गेलो, थिंगा टॉयलेटी आसा वयता थिंगा टॉयलेटी आसा चार्ज जाता. तूं मॉलान देखून गेलो जाल्यार यू हॅव टू पे $1. जर्मनीची मॉलान गेलो आय पेड €0.5 टॉयलेट वचपाक. कित्याक हे टॉयलेट प्रायवेट कंपनी चलयता, ते फुकट कांय काम करना. कित्याक सरकारा कडेन दिल्यार कांयच जायना, म्युनिसिपालिटी दिल्यार कांय जायना, प्रायवेट लोकांक दिल्यारूच जाता ते.
Gujarat Chief Minister and BJP's candidate for the Prime Minister's post, Narendra Modi, should declare his marital status, demanded All India Congress Committee Secretary and MP Shantaram Naik. He also said that despite of centre's decision that giving special status to Goa is difficult, he has been successful in placing this issue in Parliament. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
He has been nominated to be the BJP candidate for post of Prime Minister. Modi has kept the column regarding his marital status as blank. Obviously, assets regarding spouse blank, and that's whatever this says. Now, this option of keeping a vital column in the nomination paper blank will not be available to him. Private member resolution or bills are basically put up before the House to have a discussion. In some assemblies like Goa, so many resolutions are put and some of them are minor, they are accepted also by the government. By and large, they are brought for the purpose of focusing an issue. If a debate takes place, that is the first step towards achievement of that issue. And I will take you a bit to the procedure that every session mostly I used to give notice of private member resolution or bill as regards the subject of special provisions, which is popularly called as special status. But I am putting on record that the resolution moved was also not properly worded for a central government to get an idea as to what the Goa government wants. Even in future they have to explain it.
The area of agricultural land in Goa have decreased by 20,000 hectares. The total area of agricultural land in Goa was around 50,000 hectares, have decreased by 20,000 hectares, and only 30,000 hectares agricultural land is remaining in Goa. The decrease in area of agricultural land is an issue of concern, said Director of ICAR Dr. Narendra Pratap Singh. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
First about our institute. Our institute is basically a multidisciplinary institute, and that is need of today, because if you look at Goa, the volume size is going to reduce day by day. So we can't depend upon the only one sector. So our institute is working the farming system approach, where we can go for plantation crop, animal sector, fishery sector, as well as the entrepreneurship. So for example, rice. Earlier we have 50,000 hectares area in the rice in Goa, but now we have hardly 31 thousands, I can say, after in the Kharif season. 5 subdivisions you can see in the Goa. And slowly we are going to cover all 12 subdivisions, and wherever we have the dairy sector very strong. Even that we have some tribal sub-plant program. In that we are going to provide the milking machines. There is a group of farmers, we are going to provide the milking machine where they can go for milking very fast and they can get milk more. Because for any cow there is some timing. In that time you are not going to take the milk, you are not going to milk. So for that we are going to provide the milking machine, so a self-help group can be made and they can go for this, use the machine also.
So the machines will be given on subsidy or
No, we are giving free of cost.
How many machines you can give? Any number of groups?
No, it is depend upon the users. For example, how many teams are given? 6?
6 machines.
6 machines are already given. We have given 2 Netrauli side. Again we have given like that. So we are going to
then and 2 more we are giving, that Trigor we are giving. Prior. And what is the plan for the future? How many you want to?
No, it depends upon the needs.
Need based.
Because without needs we are not going to give. Because they know you, they will keep some, but it is free. So we are going to see the animals. We are going to see how many groups are there. We are going to see whether they have a self-help group or not. Even they are going to see the account also, whether they have account or not. So suppose there is some problem in the machine, and how they are going to maintain it. Then we are going to provide.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Goa State Cooperative Milk Producers Union, Goa Dairy, serving fresh milk since 1984.
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना, पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट एंड एडमिशन घेवन बरे शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून एडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Pororim, Padres, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326 11491.
Welcome back. The proposed garbage treatment plant is actually a place for dumping debris and trees, said CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado. He said that the politicians are making aggressive statements on the purview of upcoming Lok Sabha elections. A special report by Chief Editor Darshan Loliekar.
Who has been dumping the quarries?
You have asked for a permission.
We have asked for permission. It is better to fill the quarries than to keep it like that. What ancient time? Now since elections are round the corner, Lok Sabha is round the corner, all politicians will talk in different way. Let them fight elections, Lok Sabha elections. Let them win, and then let them talk about CCP. Quarries nearby, we have done it in this thing. It is not garbage, but we can dump debris, we can dump the trees which have been cut along the roads. You see, not garbage. So what is the big thing? If we could do it in Donapal on the Raj Bhavan road of dumping debris and cutting and pruning of the trees, those branches, if we can dump there, why we can't dump in the quarries? What big thing in it? Those people from that area are not filling the stomach in a penny market. If that is so, I will remove everybody from my penny market. Let the MLA of the concerned this thing give them the bread and butter. Don't make me You open my mouth and you act tough.
Mr. Oscar D'Souza have always kept his promises towards the people, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He was speaking during felicitation of Mr. Oscar D'Souza, organized by MAPSA Citizens Felicitation Committee on the occasion of his 65th birthday. Deputy Chief Minister and local MLA Francis D'Souza was also present at this occasion. Gautam Shirurkar reports from MAPSA.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oscar. Happy birthday to you.
म्हाका इम्प्रेस करून घेवन नॉर्मली जो मनीस काम करता तो पॉप्युलर सगळे कडेन आसता असो ना खरें तरी कचरो लोक आसता पूण हांवें इतके जाण अशें पळयलें की ताका जवळ जवळ कोणताले वायट उरलेले हांवें तेन्ना पळोवंक ना. He kept friendship, he kept his word. आयज पार्टी बरोबर हांवें बारीक पळयलें पार्टी बरोबर तो रावलो आमच्या बरोबर रावलो. There was no question. He said, I talked to him first. And I'm like, because I happen now, because I said, we will back him up. And तशें backup केलें. ताका बरी सावध उरलें, बरी सावध मेळूं. I pray to the God that he recovers and remains.
आयज आमी खोशेच्या दिसा एकठांय जाल्ले आहा. कितकीशीं वर्सां जाल्यार आमी ऑस्करच्या वाडदिवसाक येतात. म्हाकाच याद जायना कितकी वर्सां जाली जाय पळय ती. सदांच हांगासर नाचलो पळय तेन्ना हांव एक फावट आश्रमांत आसलो. ऑस्कराच्या बद्दल कोणें तरी म्हणजे मोठ्या मनशान व्यक्तीन येवपा जाल्ले आनी मनोहर पर्रीकराक सांगलें बाबा तुवें वचपाक जावना घरा कडेन. म्हणटकच ताणें टायम काडून मुद्दम ऑस्कराच्या वाडदिवसाक तुका विश करून गेला. म्हणटकच आमची हजरी क्रिस्टनर कशी आसतालीच हांगासर ह्या घरांत. आनी सांगपाची गोश्ट म्हणजे ऑस्कराची वळख करून दिवपाची कोणाक गरज ना हांगासर. ऑस्कराचें बरें उलोवपाची गरज ना. आयज जी संख्या जमल्या पळय तेजे बरेपणा खातीर इतके वर्साचें बरेपण ताणें जोडलां, आपले इश्ट जोडल्यात पळय, आयज सगळे लोक हांगासर हजर आहा.
Bill has worked wonders, worked for the downtrodden, for the poor people, and only one thing we hope and pray that today God gives him and a miracle happens that he gets back his health, because anything can happen. God is always there. Today whatever is there is because of the above.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. I am with Rapunkas and the decision over the placement of Rapunkas in market finalized. Surendra Furtado. People of Surbanwado face problem of acute water shortage. NNI team visits Goa with Yasin Bhatkal. Sources reveal Bhatkal stay in Goa. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.